In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web-to-lead form in Salesforce. This is a powerful tool to help you collect and convert potential leads directly from your website into your Salesforce database. So let's dive into the process and make it as seamless and efficient as possible for you. To begin, navigate to your Salesforce homepage. This is your primary dashboard where you can access all the features and settings you need. Once you're there, locate the Quick Settings option. It's typically found at the top right corner of your page, a convenient space to quickly change or access system settings, and click on it. Next, you'll want to open the Advanced Setup. This will take you to a more detailed setup page where you can make specific changes or additions to your Salesforce instance. This option provides you with extensive customization opportunities, essential for tailoring Salesforce to your unique business needs. Once there, type in Web to Lead into the search bar. This tool allows Salesforce to capture leads through your website and manage them seamlessly within your CRM. Click on the Web to Lead option when it appears. This part of the setup is crucial as it brings up the interface that will allow you to create your Web to Lead form. Now, let's move forward by selecting Create Web to Lead Form. This action will guide you into crafting the actual form that visitors on your website will fill out. In this interface, there's an Available Fields section. These are the fields that can be included in your form. Use this space to decide which data you want Salesforce to capture from your leads. After that, choose the fields you want from the available options. Selecting the right fields is key to gathering useful data from your potential customers. Once you've decided on the fields, click on Add. Doing this will move your selected fields to the final form layout where they'll be displayed on your website. Next, you'll want to focus on the return URL. This is the web address to which users will be sent after they submit the form on your site. Inputting a specific return URL can be very useful for redirecting users to a thank you page or any preferred destination after they complete your form. Another consideration is the inclusion of reCAPTCHA in your HTML. This feature is essential for ensuring that the submissions you receive are from real human users and not bots, providing an additional layer of security for your lead capturing process. To use this, you'll need a reCAPTCHA API key pair. These are essentially your credentials, provided by Google, to enable reCAPTCHA protection on your form. Enter your API key in the appropriate field. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to generate it from the Google reCAPTCHA site. Lastly, click on the Generate button. This will produce the HTML form code you need to embed into your website. By following these steps, you'll have your web-to-lead form set up in Salesforce, ready to capture valuable leads from your site, helping you streamline your sales funnel and maximize your business opportunities. Thank you for watching.